Looking back, I see it now. We've been falling from the start. All our memories fill this house. Like a thief, they steal my heart. Sometimes all this life can be is a photograph of yesterday. I know that all good things must end, but I hope
Hi, Dad. This will bring us together. Love, Claire.
I'll return this thing.
Bravo, Dad.
What? Who said that?
Dad, it's me.
Claire?
Down here.
What the heck is that?
It's Ebo, Dad.
Ebo? How the heck do I turn this thing off?
It's a way for us to talk and check in on each other. You know, be together.
Okay, so it's a phone then.
It's not a phone, Dad. It's Ebo. It's its own thing.
No, it's not my thing.
Dad, if not for you, for Grumpy. You spend the entire day in your music room. Grumpy could really use a friend.
No more phones.
You missed a spot, Dad. Don't forget to take your meds. Found it. Mom would have loved this song.
Night, Claire.
Night, Dad. Are you sure you don't want to come over for Christmas? I can book you a flight.
You know how I feel about flying. I can't leave Grumpy. I'll tell you what, why don't we do something like with you, me, Grumpy, and Ebo here, and I can play you this new song I've been working on.
That sounds perfect.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Claire? Claire, are you there?
Sorry, Dad. I was supposed to be here.
Today we're taking a look at the Luna robot, which is an impressive piece of technology, and it's somewhere between a toy and a very useful assistant. The Luna robot is packed full of fun games and activities to do, as well as being powered up by the impressive ChatGPT AI. It can be used as a mobile home security camera, and it's even programmable, meaning the possibilities are endless. So straight off the bat, it's impressive at just how lifelike the pet robot can be. It rapidly drives around the house, and its movements are just so fluid and natural that it can almost seem lifelike. It's powered up by a Cortex A53 AI CPU, and it's packed full of sensors that allow Luna to feel touches on the head, avoid obstacles, as well as avoiding any edges. It can recognize faces, movement, and bodies, and it can also recognize gestures and emotion. If we raise a fist to Luna, it can see exactly what we're doing, and it's going to ask for a fist bump straight away. You can also ask Luna to do silly things like pretend to be a duck or a pig, or even ask the most complex of questions thanks to Luna's ChatGPT integration. In the package comes a game ball, and when you build it and give it to Luna, it's just going to play with it and run around it like a robot pet, which can be entertaining to watch. And it's even going to interact with random objects you've left on the floor, like a sock or a shoe. You can also ask Luna to follow you around the house. Using the cameras and sensors, it does an impressive job at keeping track and following. In terms of voice commands, there's a huge amount of pre-programmed ones for Luna, and the app to go with it is going to tell you all of the ones you can use. We've also got such a wide variety of commands, from tricks and pet training to pretending to be all sorts of different animals. Hello, Luna. Do a jump. We can also do some bullfighting with Luna thanks to the red cloth that comes in the packaging. You just hold it out and Luna is going to charge into it like a bull. We've got the ball and cup game where Luna's display is just going to show you a ball in a cup, then quickly swap the cups left and right, and you've got to guess which one it's in by touching the corresponding ear. Moving on to the next set of features, we've got a simple racing mode where you get on-screen controls on your mobile phone and you can drive Luna around, as well as controlling the ears and legs. We've also got plenty of quick action, so there's lots of different gestures and emotions that you can make Luna do. In the remote control mode, it's a similar setup. We get a live camera feed as well, so if you're away from your home, then you can use Luna to look around your house. We can tilt the head up or down to look around, and we can also speak through Luna with the two-way audio. We've also got the ability to do all the quick actions in this bit as well.